Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. It is Monday. Market is a little bit red right now. The stocks we're watching are red, but it's okay, guys. We're going to make it through. We've got Johnstown first in the chat today. What's going on, Johnstown? Paul, Danelle, Tim, John J, Tim, Pika Power. What's going on, Pika? Tim, Pika. Tim, Paul, John J, Pika, Paul, Mr. Nice Guy, Paul, Pika Power, Mr. Nice Guy, Paul, Tim, and Zachary. Good afternoon to you. Let's see what we got going on over here in the way of the market. We've got AMC sitting 11.56 right now, down 3.95%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1183 right now, down 0.5%. GameStop had some big candles, pulling back a little bit, 95.46, down 0.21%. Biggest loser of the day, Farmy down at 0670 right now, down a full cent on a 7-cent stock, down 14% on the day right now. We've got the Nasdaq up 1.33% at the moment. GameStop, like we said, down 0.25%. BioArt Therapeutics 83.92 cents. Farmy 0670, AMC 1156, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down at the moment. Sundial 4023 down 3.5%. Molinado down 3.5% at 106. CEI 10% loss on the day there, 70 cents per share. The SPY is up 1.67%. BBIG 2.93 or $2.93. Highcroft Mining $1.30, and Netflix sitting at $187.11 right now. Going green into the close though, so looking good there. Up 0.50% at the moment, $187.25. I like the green action on that one. Let's see if anything plays out there as we go back to the chat and see what you guys are saying here. Nope, already be loaded up by then. Pika, I know I missed it, but I'm glad you're going to be loaded up. Merlin, hello, please, we need some good news, bro. Net trading, I know, man, we need some good news. Net trading, I need some good news too, man. I guess the good news is maybe we're reaching a bottom. Maybe we're nearing some sort of a bottom, some sort of a level of support that we can see bounces off of into the future. That's what I got. Good. I rewatched the morning stream during my lunch. I missed a lot of that. I'm really glad I made your day. Happy early birthday. Big, you have no idea. My goodness, you have no idea. Don't feel bad about missing it. You didn't have to watch it, because I'm probably going to be talking about it the rest of my life. So, Pika, thank you very much. Yes, not only did you make my day, you probably made my life. So, thank you very much on that, Pika. And look, one of these days, I'm going to have to put this. This is not packaging material, Pika. This is not packaging material. No, it is definitely not packaging material. My gosh. Oh, what do we got here? A little recap. Nothing good going on right now. Nothing in the green except for a couple stocks up here. Highcroft Mining, our biggest gainer of the day, with a 4% increase. That's interesting when Highcroft Mining is the biggest gainer of the day. And it's bouncing off some of those lows that it hit earlier at $1.21, sitting at $1.31 right now. Not a bad afternoon performance for Highcroft Mining there. Hopefully it continues up from here. Yeah, Pika, you know you did. Come on now. You know you did. You know what I wanted to see that I don't know? I haven't seen Tesla today. Tesla's a pretty good indicator of what the overall market's doing with these larger cap stocks, and I have not looked at it. Nope, want this one. I have not looked at Tesla today. And somebody asked about Redbox. No, I also did not hit it out of the park on Redbox today. If you guys did, my goodness. I don't know if you got out at $7.20 or not, or if you're still in, but these gains look incredible in Redbox. My gosh, man. Wish somebody would have told me to get into Redbox at $2 down here after a massive rise up to $11. Yeah. Is it going to do it again? I hope so. If you guys are in Redbox, man, best of luck to you. Hopefully you make some sick gains on that one. I wanted to see Tesla. Tesla starts with this T. Tesla is sitting at... Tesla's up today, but Tesla's all the way down, man, touching $633 per share. That is a massive decline in Tesla. It may come back down. See, it's bouncing off this little level of support that we talked about back here at around $630, exactly where it's at right now. So finding some support in this area that it tested here, resistance here, support here, and it may be holding up. So if it does, great. If you guys are in it, if not, I don't know how many people are playing it. You guys, I know you guys like to play Tesla options. So I don't know if anybody's out there with Tesla in their portfolio or Tesla options in their portfolio right now. But if you are, good luck. What do you think about the stock NUTX? I don't know anything about NUTX, man. Let's see here. NUTX. Nutex Health. Oh, man. What is this? Biopharmaceutical company? Stuff makes me nervous, man. Let's see. 52 daily. Why did they rise back here? What day is this? April 4th. What is going on here? Okay, so some sort of a merger happening here. I would not, man. If it dropped all the way back down to where it's at now, I would not imagine you're going to see that type of a gain again. This was a lot of hype right here. This was a lot of hype, probably unnecessary, roughly 20xing in a 2-day period and coming right back down. It does, however, look like a decent buy in that $3 range if it starts to pull back again. Major levels of support there. But I don't know, man. Just be careful if you guys are thinking about getting into that. I don't care too much for like pharmaceutical companies and healthcare companies. I do think they're very dangerous. But you're starting to run into a little level of resistance right in here that you got back in here and then back in this range from roughly, I don't know, $10 to $9 or so. So I would watch out for that, but I don't know if I'd expect another, 6x increase from where you're at right now. Just my thoughts on that. All right, we've got 2 minutes left in the day, guys. I bought Tesla, Google, and Disney today. RK SoCal, very nice. Kinda naughty joke. Why did Mickey tell the judge she wanted to divorce Minnie? Because she was goofy, man. That's right. Because she was goofy. Exactly. PG-13-ish. John Jay, man. You're crazy. In at 529, out at 703. Gonna play Redbox out again tomorrow. Tim, very nice, man. Tim is trading Redbox over there. Very good. Giovanni Lewis, what's up, bro? What is going on, Giovanni? How you doing today? All right, little recap with 1 minute left in the day, guys. We got AMC sitting 11.58 right now, down 3.5%. Shiba Inu coin 11.74 right now, continuing to pull back. GameStop 96.24, up 0.50% on the day. We've got the Nasdaq sitting down 1.58%. GameStop, like we say, up 1/3%. Biora Therapeutics down 1.4. Farmy sitting at 0.666 right now. It is nearing, well, it is at all-time lows. We're gonna see if we get a little bounce into the end of the day here. 666. That is not a good number for a stock to be trading at. Time to get out of that one. AMC sitting at 1160, down 3.5% on the day. Green candle going into the close there. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down at the moment. Sundial 40 cents flat, down 3.5. We've got Mullen Auto $1.05. CEI down 10%. SPY up almost 2. BBIG up almost 2. Highcraft Mining up 3.5, and Netflix up 0.60% right now. Got a green line going into the close. We do like that right there. Man, I'm telling you, biggest loser on the day is farming down here at 0.665 per share, closing at 0.665. See if we get any after hours action going on there, but they are talking about delisting, so you got that to worry about if you guys are getting in farmy or if you're in farmy. And I will most likely just be setting a stop loss here pretty soon and seeing what happens, whether it taps it and I'm out or if it continues on. But Shiba Inu coin falling a little bit right now. We got 3 purple candles in a row. AMC doing very well after hours with a nice green candle there, sitting at 1164. GameStop 96.01 right now. Ooh, and a nice jump up there after hours. GameStop posting a nice green candle going up to $97 per share. And well, we'll watch what happens and how these guys play out here in a second. I'm contemplating if I should throw my last 20 for today into Amazon or crypto right now. RK SoCal, very good question. I do not know. I know that crypto is down across the board. I have not looked at Amazon in a while. I do believe that it's on this watch list out here. It is. Yes, it is. It's weird that AMC is not in alphabetical order. I don't know why. So Amazon actually at a level of support as well. So Amazon pulling back drastically over the last couple of months here. Amazon sitting at 2048. Let's go to a weekly chart. Amazon actually sitting at a pretty strong level of support here. So if we look at this, we can see that Amazon in this area, right where it's at right now. Maybe not right here at 2151, but this $2,000 level is significant for Amazon. You want to take a little risk, get in $100 above the 2,000 mark. I don't think that you got to worry about too much of a decline there. $2,500 or no, $100 on 2,000. You're looking at what? Maybe a 5% decline. Coming down $100 on the 2,000. Not terrible if you're really pulling these levels of support, to a T. But I would, and this may be the bounce, right? This may be bouncing off of here. So that's something to consider there. Cryptocurrency also very cheap at the moment. Can definitely get cheaper, but crypto has been beaten down. So I know that, if 30,000 holds up on Bitcoin, it could be a great time to add to cryptocurrency as well. Stony 100, I bought the dip a few times now. Peak of power, very nice. I sound like a Robbie show, but Redbox is looking like Moaz. If you checked Tim, I have not seen the numbers, man. If you get any numbers to throw out there, throw some numbers for us so we know. GME is pumping because they're getting into crypto and making wallets. Yeah, GameStop, I believe they got a desktop version of their wallet right now, right? I don't think it's mobile friendly at the moment, but it is sitting closed up 0.37% on the day, and it is sitting 0.41% higher after hours right now. So jumping up to 97 cents or $97, sorry, $97 and coming back down a little bit, bottoming out at 94.75 after hours, currently sitting at 96.40 after hours. Caesar, Thursday, which be day, bro. Thursday is the birthday, May 26th. My goodness. Thursday is going to be here fast, mine too. No way, Caesar, your birthday's on, dude, we're birthday bros. We're birthday bros, dude. I like it. Clip, my dog started walking again. She gallops like a horse, but is walking. Amen. Got movement last week, but this week is walking. John J. Alvarez. That is wild, dude, what happened to your dog there, and I am very glad that your dog is improving because it's a wild story. So I feel good that your dog is feeling better, man. We are twins. Boom! Caesar. Are we twins, though? We might be twins, man. We might be twins. 1989? Caesar was probably born in like 2000 or something. Caesar, when you're born, man, let us know. It appears that Luna players have auto buys set, most of them at 1,500 points and some at 1,700 points, to give new Luna investors a wee bit of security. I hope so, man. I do hope that we've got some decent support on there, especially for you guys that are loading up on Luna. And yeah, man, you get some bounces off 15, bounces off 17 right here. Webull, very low volume on Webull right now. I don't know what platform you guys prefer to use or prefer to look at for Luna there, but if you do want to buy Luna, you can still buy and sell on Voyager. So if you want to use the link in the description down there, you're going to get $25 in Bitcoin. Hey, man, take a $25 exposure to Luna at that point, and you can't really lose anything if you have a risk-free because you made $25 and you're risking $25. What? 2 birthdays? The crown will have to multiply. Ooh, I know I'm getting that crown. I know I'm getting that crown on my birthday. King Claybro in the chat. Yes, that's going to happen. I'm telling you it's going to happen. Guys, you know this is the coolest crown ever. Kings wear their crowns like back here, don't they? That's where I would wear my crown. That's where I'm going to wear it. That's where I'm going to wear it. And we should, we should play some games with this die. We should play some games with this die on my birthday. I know we should. We got to do some giveaways with this die on my birthday. We got to incorporate that somehow. And maybe spin this little coin right here and see what it lands on. Heads or tails. Ooh. I'm thinking it's going to be good. I'm thinking it's going to be good on my birthday. Pika's providing us with all of the fun. I know she is. Pika, thank you once again so much. Hey, Cassie, what's going on, Cassie? I have a hat that says Mr. Nice Guy from California. Stony Vision, very good, man. Antics, hope everyone snores the amazing amount. Whoa, pure Colombian. No, shout out to all my fellow crazy apes. Hey, Antics, what's going on, man? Glad to have you in here, even though you are crazy. Yes, actually the opposite, Tampa. Opposite side of the country. He's from Tampa, not California. Let's play what, Pong? Play what kind of Pong? I don't know about that, man. Lick and stick time. So bad, but I love it. Mix lick and stick with a PDP to PDP. I don't know if I can lick some lick and stick with a PDP, man. 33 never looked so good. Caesar, appreciate you, man. Thank you. 8-ball question. Will I get a bro shirt? Ooh, this is a good question. Will Zachary win a bro shirt? That is the question we are asking the Magic 8-ball. And it says... Don't count on it. Sorry about that, Zachary. Don't get your hopes up, man. But it says don't count on it. So it doesn't mean no, but just means don't count on it, Zachary. Mr. Nice Guy, Mr. Nice Guy. It is nice. Mr. Nice Guy is Mr. Nice. We are very, very well. Oh man, I'm not gonna say thank you enough. I know I'm not gonna do it. Roulette wheel. Don't retract messages. Nobody wants to do that. Pika, it's the holy grail. It really is. Then the kind of A-ball I usually use. Mine is white. Antics. Mine's black, man. Mine's got a little bit of white right there. But overall, black 8-ball, man. That's where it's at. That's what you gotta use now. What do you think it got to? So I looked that up earlier, man. Honestly, I don't know enough about, what their project is or anything like that. What is it here? Gods Unchained, is that what it is? Don't they have a game or something, man? I don't know what these guys are doing. $15 million market cap is very low with the amount of coins outstanding right now. The fully diluted market cap is still up there, $340 million. But honestly, I don't know enough about what they've got going on, man. Trading card game that pays to play. Yeah, so I don't know. It might be something similar to what Shiba Inu coin is hoping to do with the Shiba Inu coin trading card game. So, I don't know. They may be using this as a precursor, but I would imagine that the Shiba Inu coin game may take over in popularity, and some people that were playing that may move over to Shiba Inu coin and so on. So I would still be careful with it, but that's me, man. I don't play any games like that, so I don't know how much of an advantage it has. How crazy! We were born the same month, day, and year. Imagine the same. Caesar. I'm going to have to ask my mom about this, Caesar. Gosh, dude. I'm looking at that dude's picture. It might as well be a picture of me. Caesar, were you born in Ohio, man? Were you born in Ohio? Dude, if this dude was born in Ohio. Were you born in Ohio? Hey, Caesar, were you born in Ohio? If you were, maybe we's twins, Caesar. Any more of the 8-ball is how Let's do it, Tim. Let's do it. That's how I should start investing too, man. Especially in these bear markets. It's got to be all 8-ball. If 8-ball says do it, we do it. If the 8-ball says don't do it, well, I'm not going to count on it. Guys and Chain, I think it's a metaverse crypto. Yeah, right now they got a card game, apparently, that I saw out there on the website, right? Yeah, so they got this card game going on out there, man. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks like a pretty cool card game. I have no idea how to play. I have no idea anything about that. But if you're looking at the price, I know the price has been beaten down, just like all other cryptos, man. It's done very well over the last 3 or 4 days, and it is pulling back. But it went from 30 cents to $1.15. Tripled in price, and it is coming back down now. So I'd watch out for it as it falls. It's down 30+% today. That's a huge decline in any asset, but maybe if it retests this level of support down here in the 30s, it may be worth looking into. If not, all crypto is really down right now. It's down 90% from its, not just its debut, but when crypto was doing very well back in October, November of 2021. It's down 90+% from there. So we can keep an eye on it since a couple people asked about it today. But, I'm not exactly sure too much about that coin other than what I just saw right there. Not reading my comments. Connor, of course, man. I'll read any comment you got. That's the first one I saw. Graham Stephan had a monkey pick stocks, and it performed better than most hedge funds. 40% gain after 1 year. Yeah, Zachary, man, that's the thing. You know, everybody looks up to the hedge funds like they control the markets, but the market controls the markets. The market controls the market. The market beats the hedge funds year after year. And if you just wildly guess, you know, or if you take that diversified approach, you're most likely going to beat the hedge funds as well. It's when you start thinking that you can predict the market and you know exactly what's going to happen that bad things start to happen. And market gains, man, market gains seem to be king over the long term. Shiba Inu Coin's creator goes by the name Ryoshi, but very little else is known about this mystery cryptocurrency founder, similar to the founder of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, they remain anonymous. Crypto Burger, you are correct, man. I wish I knew who this dude was. Wouldn't that be sweet if you knew who he was and you're like, I know who he is, but you don't. Have an awesome day. Big power. Pika! Pika, you leaving? Have to get back to work. Have an awesome day. No, Pika! Enjoy your day. Listen, if you can continue listening, thank you very much once again, and please continue listening. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day at work. Enjoy it. Don't stay too busy. We know that we don't want to squeeze all the juice out of Pika Power already. We got to keep Pika flowering. Come on now. I got $10 of Wrapped Luna just in case it goes back up. Stony Vision. Nice, man. And look, Stony Vision, $10. I don't think you're going to be too upset if it continues to go down. But yeah, Luna is a dangerous coin. Luna's a dangerous coin, and I'm glad you're exposing yourself to it, but on a smaller scale, so you don't really get hurt if it does continue to move down. Let me find my birth certificate. Caesar, go get that birth certificate, dude. I gotta know where you're born, man. We might be twins for real. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. What's up, apes? Missed the first live. Come on, Chris. He had to bust his butt today. About to hit up an eye appointment. About to be hotter than Johnny Depp's lawyer. Boom, baby. Nice, Chris. Nice. I don't know if it's possible, but I hope you reach it, man. I hope you get there. And also, we did miss you. Actually, I don't know. I did miss you during the morning stream today. Chris, I'm not going to lie, dude. I mowed my lawn last Thursday, and I was thinking about you. And I'm like, dude, I wish I could just mow stripes half as good as this guy mows. Do I need, you and Paul, you guys are the mower guys, do I need, like, sharper blades? Like, how do I get these sick? How do I get these sick stripes like you guys get, man? I don't know how to get these sick stripes. I need to know how to get these sick stripes. Do you believe December DeMarco knows who Satoshi is? He says he does. Giovanni. Look, I don't believe... Here's my thoughts on it, okay? And these are my thoughts. I could be completely wrong on it, but I don't believe anybody knows who Ryoshi is, okay? Shitoshi or Ryoshi? I don't know who Shitoshi is, that's for sure. I thought you were talking about Ryoshi there. But I don't think that anybody knows who created Shiba Inu coin. I don't even think that Shitoshi and these... the guys that are working on the ecosystem, I don't even think that they know who Ryoshi is. I think it was just some random dude that created a Shiba Inu coin, like a Shiba Inu coin, and then we had the ecosystem team build up around it. I think that's what it was, man. But that's my thoughts. That's my conspiracy theory. I'm hoping to get 1 billion Shiba before we start flying to all-time highs. I'm halfway there. Dude, 1 billion Shiba... If we hit all-time highs again, man, you're going to have about 90 grand on 1 billion Shiba. That's not bad at all, dude. That's not bad at all. You think Luna will pump one more time for the 27th? Bought some Luna. So, yeah, Caesar. I don't know if it will or not, but that's my mentality. If you're looking for a catalyst, it absolutely would be looking towards the 27th as a catalyst. Why? Because the 27th is the snapshot day. You're going to need to own it. As long as they go through this fork and everything, that is the day that's going to be used as the determining factor on whether or not you receive from the airdrop. So if you're looking to play Luna and you're looking for a shorter-term catalyst that could really do some good, or bad, it could sell off crazy afterwards. Remember that, okay? It could sell off crazy afterwards. So you're going to have to watch it on the 27th and be careful. If it sells off, man, then maybe get out, because you may have a lot of people who believe in the new crypto, believe in the new Luna, that were loading up to get their coins and then dumping off afterwards. So I actually don't think it's a bad idea for me to look into that and do a little video on whether or not it could be a catalyst. But I would watch that date very carefully. You may see a pump right beforehand and then a dump off right after. Is not out of the question. Let's see. I love you, Broseph. Michael, love you too, man. Glad you're in here. Is it Elon? He created. I don't know, man. Zachary, I don't think that I don't think that Ryoshi is Elon. Well, I had a super chat, but my phone is crap. Clay probably just need more weight on the mower to go to the same way multiple times. So what you're saying is put a sandbag on my mower because I don't weigh enough to get some stripes. That's what you're saying, Chris. Gotcha. I'm going to have to put some more weight on that mower there. And cutting the same way multiple times, that's not bad. I typically, I cut it like horizontal and then I'll cut it diagonal. So I don't know if I necessarily should be doing that alternating every other time, but I need some better stripes, dude. I do. So, Clay bro, we playing Dong Pong or what? I don't even know what that is, dude. Is that like Donkey Kong? Clay bro, Bitcoin dumping out weekly 8th candlestick. Your thoughts, my bro. PS5, future of gaming. We got Bitcoin. I don't know if Bitcoin's necessarily dumping. So it did start to fall pretty drastically back here about an hour or so ago. And it is steadying off right now and trying to bounce off that $29,000 mark. So looking at it on a daily, we are still right here. This is nothing to be like alarmed about yet, but it does seem to really gravitate towards this 30,000. If it goes above, it goes back below. If it goes below, it goes back above. I'm concerned with a decline below this level in here. If we do drop and sustain a move down below this, I think the cryptocurrency is going to have a decent way down before it goes back up. So this is what I'm watching right here. That's why it's red. It's been on the chart for months now. This $30,000 mark, we've been talking about it for months. And I'm putting a very strong significance on this $30,000 level of support. I hope that it holds up. If it does not, I think we're going to have amazing buying opportunities moving forward, and hopefully we can capitalize off of the declines if that's what we got. Sharp blades would help, but no one sharpens their push mower. No, I got a riding mower, man. I got a riding mower, but nobody sharpens their push mower blades. I don't have a push mower. I got a riding mower. I read my airdrop conditions on Uphold, and they said they will try, but no guarantee. Caesar, I believe it. So if you're on a centralized exchange, which, if you're not going to get the airdrop, I wouldn't be terribly concerned. You can still trade the price action and stuff. But if you absolutely want to get that airdrop, hold it on a decentralized wallet or, hold it on some sort of a Terra Luna wallet, specific wallet or something like that. Because what you have to have in order for in order to receive the airdrop on a centralized exchange, that centralized exchange needs to list that new cryptocurrency. And more often than not, if you've got a very large project and a very large exchange, they will accommodate airdrops and they will add the new coin if they're willing to work with the coin's team and if the coin's team is willing to work with them. That would be like, Shiba Inu coin doing an airdrop. Of course, if all of the centralized brokers worked with them, they'd be able to pull that off and get you a new wallet or a new coin on there. I don't know if centralized exchanges are going to be willing to work with Luna after what happened. I would be careful and cautious about that, though. Switch directions once your first lines are set in. I change direction every 3 weeks when setting, but now I switch every week to keep them in. Nice. Chris, so mow the exact same way for like 3 weeks in a row is what you're saying. Then I should have some decent stripes there. All right, dude. Wow, what is going on with AMC? What is going on with AMC? Ooh. What? Up 8% right now. Back down. But on like no volume, just spiked up 8%. no out of the ordinary volume, but AMC just spiked up 8% to 1250 after hours here. And no news. Very weird. Very strange. I don't know what happened with that. I don't think that was a glitch because it wasn't going back to anything, but that was very weird that we had an 8% spike up in the price of AMC and then right back down on no volume. 2,000 shares like that, throwing it up and right back. That's weird, guys. That's weird. I like your info, Clay, but you're nuts, man. Tony, why am I nuts, dude? You're nuts. Come on, you're nuts. At least if it dips below 20,000, that Jordan guy will have to eat a dirty sock. Dude, I don't know who's going to eat a dirty sock. Somebody said they're going to eat a dirty sock if it goes below 30,000. That's wild. Happy birthday, Glib. Connor, thank you very much, man. Birthday coming up on Thursday, guys. How do you get the live chart layout like that? Crash Jones, this is in Webull. So if you're on Webull, or if you don't have to even log into Webull, but you can download the Webull desktop app on your computer if you want. And then you would come over to the customize. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can you see the icons? I can't move my Webull right now. Anyway, there's customize icon on the far left. You've got watch list, stocks, markets, screener, customized, account, and paper trading. You click on customized, and then you can literally customize it however you want, man. I think before you ever set it up, it brings up a couple different layouts, or you can do a completely custom layout if you'd like. This one's completely custom just so we can see the charts. And there's no, buy buttons or anything on there. Hi, bye. Pudgy, what's going on, Pudgy? All right, bro, gotta go. Oh, but I made my day seeing your video. Knew we had a lot in common. Caesar, enjoy your day, man, and thank you for hanging out with us. Yeah, dude, we're basically twins now. I think we might be, Caesar. Your favorite nine-fingered butcher in the house. Well, Craig, man, glad to have you in here. Sounds like you got some dangerous jobs out there. That was the third time I've said happy birthday. Connor, wild, man. I just saw it that time, so thank you for saying it. I don't know if it's holding your messages or if I just missed them. ApeCoin, it did that earlier today. Shot straight up, then vanished. Poof. No gains. Bronson, very weird, dude. Very weird that AMC did that too after hours. Jumping up. I mean, that's a drastic increase. And then literally right back down. Right back down to where it was. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the spread after hours. Maybe something's... I don't know what's going on with that. MOS incoming. Red box has been on fire. It looks like it's setting up for a massive gamma squeeze. AMC June style. Antics. Red box does look crazy over the last couple of days. Going from about $2.50 to $7 today. I don't have any red box, but I wish I did. Please tell me what happens, bro. Relaxing. What happens with what? AMC in 10 sec go up 8%, comes back down. Relaxing. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't know what that was. I don't know if there's just no cells available and they went to the next available cell, which was at $12.50, or what the deal was, why it jumped up like that. Clay one squeeze. Pacone. Always tomorrow, man. The squeeze is always tomorrow. Clay bro, best altcoin to buy right now in HODL. Happy birthday, my bro. Yeah, birthday's on Thursday. Best altcoin to buy right now. Dude, honestly, I don't have a problem with all of these altcoins. Some of the very, very small meme coins I think are extremely risky. But right now, with all crypto down like 50 to 80%, just diversify if you want. Diversify if you want. I don't think that you got to necessarily go all in on one of them. Clearly, Shiba Inu coin is cheap. I mean, even Ethereum is cheap at half price right now. Bitcoin's half price right now. I know it's not an altcoin, but Bitcoin's half price right now. Literally everything is on sale. But watch the $30,000 mark on Bitcoin. If it is broken, which it's lower than 30,000 right now, I know that. But if we sustain some downside action on Bitcoin, I would imagine that all altcoins are going to fall pretty heavily as well. Clear in July AMC call options. SH. People get excited. People get very excited that we could do something similar to what we did last year in June. If you want to take a wild, I guess, gamble on options, do it just that way, knowing that it is a wild gamble, man. I don't think there's any necessary reason that we are going to see massive spikes up in June or July. So just be careful if you're buying like far out of the money call options. BBIG news. I do not know what I think that they're announcing. BBIG should be announcing earnings here in the next 3 or 4 minutes, or they get their earnings call in the next 3 or 4 minutes. We'll have to watch and see what comes up with that, but I do not have any BBIG numbers yet unless they have been released, which they have. So BBIG earnings per share is $3, a loss of $3.05. That's down from a loss of $1.23 last year. And sales are at 11.53 million, and that's up from $2.56 million the last year. So drastically increased their sales, drastically decreased their earnings per share. So I mean, basically that means that they paid a lot more for their revenue than they should be paying for their revenue, but they were able to generate a ton more sales. So it doesn't seem like BBIG is reacting too poorly at the moment, but they're going to have their earnings call here, I believe, in 2 minutes or so. So we'll have to watch out and see if they, I guess, undergo any volatility based on that. The earnings were kind of mixed. Great revenue, poor earnings per share. So not really doing too much there. I think people are anticipating the actual call. Bro, do you think Tritium DCFC Limited will recover next month? Net trading, I have no idea. I have no idea what Tritium's doing right now. I don't know if they're going to recover next month or not. I hope that everything starts to recover soon. I hope that we get some sort of just an optimistic outlook on the overall stock market here, and we see things start to recover because we have been down for way too long. AMC went up 8% chopped and 6%. Listen, it might look like manipulation, yes, but it was probably the jump up was probably based on the fact that there were no sell orders coming in and they had to reach the next price. And then once they got there, the next buy order came in right back, where it was at. So I don't necessarily think that's manipulation, but I know a lot of people probably are gonna think that it's manipulation because it did come right back down. E turns 21 years young. I wish Cassie turned 21 years old. Yeah, right. No. Little older than that. 33 on Thursday. Yes, Connor. 33 on Thursday, man. Sorry I missed it again. What is your take on streamer Inu? Dude, I'm not going to lie. Anything that is just using the Inu name, even Shiba Inu coin itself, it's risky, okay? But anything that is trying to just bounce off the name is even riskier than Shiba Inu coin is. So if you guys are trying to take some major risks and gamble in the cryptocurrency market, that is one way to do so. Volume up, please. Grandview, my volume is up, dude. I think you're going to have to turn your volume up, man. Sorry. Claybroni, oh my gosh. M. James, what is going on? M. James, I haven't seen you in dude, it's been 6+ months, man. Where have you been? M. James, man, how's your kids? How's the new one, man? You get that new kid, it's probably walking by now. Getting old now, bro. Connor, I'm telling you, 34 in August. Connor, we're getting old, dude. What are we going to do about this? Buy the dip tattoo on my mind, yay or nay? Pack home, man. I don't know, man. I have no tattoos. So if you got tattoos and you want to tattoo it, shoot, go for it. Did you see Sundial's last earnings last week? They still have 54 to 56 million left for buybacks and got approved for puts. How does that work for a company? Bronson, I did not see their earnings report, okay? I did not see their earnings report, so I don't know any of the details on that. But, look, I know they're going to be coming up and need to get a compliance run here pretty soon. They've been down below $1 for quite some time. They got their extension back in March, maybe. I think they got their extension. And I think that they are the end of August, or like August 8th or something. They need to regain compliance, or they could be delisted. With the buybacks, so they can offer a buyback, but we have to remember, they did offer a buyback, I believe, of $100 million when Sundial was trading at maybe 60 or 70 cents. And it did shoot up to like 99 cents and then right back down. So even if it does help them shoot up, I don't know if they're going to be able to regain compliance strictly based on that. It may just help very short-term price action. So I don't know if I don't know how much $50 million right now is going to buy, what, 100 million shares? Yeah, $50 million would be able to buy about 100, maybe a little over 100 million shares of Sundial. So it could definitely juice the volume and jump the stock price, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to sustain that level in order to regain compliance. Yes, Megalotone. I have not seen any of the OGs in quite some time. We know that Rocket jumps back in every once in a while, but I have not seen, oh man, I have not seen Natalie, Brett, or anybody in here, or even Cookie in such a long time. Clay, look up. Brian, right here, man. What's your take on this Luna burns? Do Kwon holding the wallet and the supply not going down? Is Do Kwon and so Jim, I don't know, and I don't know I don't know too much about the burn wallet and all of that, right? I don't know if they necessarily will, like, especially if you're looking at CoinMarketCap and stuff. I don't think that they're going to update the outstanding supply on an ongoing basis. I know they do not do that with Shiba Inu coin. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned, depending on where you're looking at the circulating supply, about the circulating supply not going down. Especially because burns are still relatively in low amounts. Like 1 million to 8 million coins being burned at a time, roughly $100 to $800, $900 at a time being burnt, which is still a lot of money to burn. But 1 million compared to 6 trillion is a very insignificant amount that needs to increase before you would see major changes in the circulating supply, at least on these sites, which I have no idea what their criteria is to update the circulating supply. So that's one factor I would look at, but I don't know if anybody's trying to cheat anybody or not. I would wait. I did a video last night on potentially burning your Luna tokens. I would wait till after the snapshot to burn them, just so you have the opportunity to receive the airdrop if you do want to receive the airdrop. Will Shiba Inu coin get back to 0.00005 this year? Please, let's go. Yes, sir, absolutely. John J. 8-ball question. Will Shiba Inu coin make it back to 0.00005 this year? 4 zeros and a 5. Let's see what we got. We've got a... Woohoo! We've got a yes, definitely. I don't know if you guys can see it there. We've got a yes, definitely on the 8-ball. It actually might be really hard for you guys to see. We had a yes, definitely on the 8-ball on that one. John J, good question, man. 0.00005. A yes, definitely for Shiba Inu coin. What do you think about Floki? EA, Floki, extremely dangerous. Do not have any. Probably will not get any. I'm not terribly into the gamble plays, man. I'm still here. DD214, you are still here. Yes, bro, let's support a P-Thor token. I think it might be something. Yeah, net trading, man. We can support any token that you guys want to support, man. I have no problem talking about a token. When Luna forks over, what happens to the coins you have? Does it automatically transfer? So, Brian, no, as far as I know, what's going to happen is you're still going to continue to have your Luna. They're going to be called Luna Classic at that point. And your new tokens will be Luna. Now, whether or not you receive the airdrop in these new Luna tokens depends on where you hold your Luna. If you hold your Luna in a centralized exchange, that centralized exchange should accommodate you if they are willing to go through everything that's required. So if they believe that the Luna team is good and they're going to have value and people are going to want to trade that coin, then they may add the new Luna to their platform and they will accommodate you accordingly. If they don't want to support the new one, they do not have to support the new one. Okay, and you are holding on their platform, so you're not really going to have access to your new Luna from everything that I've read. All right, you're going to need the accommodation of the centralized exchange. If you are holding it on a decentralized exchange, most likely the only thing that you're going to have to do is add the new Luna wallet address to your wallet. You're just going to have to add that new asset to your wallet, and it's going to automatically show up in there. So at that point, you would have Luna Classic, and you would have the new Luna. You know the pros and cons of holding in a centralized exchange versus holding in a decentralized wallet. So I would hold it accordingly, and I would invest accordingly based on what you want to see from that airdrop. Click, how are you still? Yes, I am. 007, I am still driving that Kia Forte, man. Haven't even broke 100,000 miles yet. Dogelon Mars coin. Merlin, I do not have any Dogelon Mars. It's not a fork. Stick a fork in it. Well, I mean, Shane, they are calling it a fork, right? Sorry, is that not what they're calling it? Cliff, AMC runs. Will you use those gains to jump into any other squeeze plays right after? Peter James, good question. If AMC runs, I do expect a lot of the squeeze plays to be, running at the same time. So I don't know if I would necessarily be able to get out of one and get into another. But yes, I will be reinvesting the gains that I do have from AMC. I just don't know if it'll be into other squeeze plays, right? Because I think a lot of the squeeze hype is going to be set off at the time that Shiba Inu coin, the time that AMC is running. If Lindenbond, are we in touch on Facebook, or is someone pretending to be you? Oh, Linden. Oh, it's Lindenbond. I thought you said if. No, I'm not on Facebook, man. I'm not on Facebook. So that would be somebody pretending to be me. Sorry about that. That's not me, though. Terra Team said it is not a fork. Fork keeps the same blockchain. Okay. So, Shane, good deal, man. Good deal. I do think that they were wording it that way. But you are right, man. They're trying to set up a new project, one that does not involve UST or any stable coin. So, yeah, I don't know. I truly believe that they were wording it that way in what they were writing, but I think it might just be wording. Do you suggest going big in Doge right now? Disclaimer, this is just an opinion, not financial advice. Look, going big right now could pay off extremely well. It doesn't even matter if it's Doge, right? It can be literally any crypto. Bitcoin being at 30,000. If you go in big on any crypto right now, and Bitcoin bounces off and starts to soar off that 30,000, starts to hit $35,000, $40,000, I absolutely expect cryptocurrency to, especially these altcoins, to soar, double, triple in price. If Bitcoin falls down through 30,000, it could be a terrible idea to go in big right now, because this is either going to be the bottom or this is going to be the start of a very strong decline. And if you thought the decline from 60 to 30 was big, I would not be terribly surprised to see 30 to 10. And that's an even larger decline than 60 to 30. So if that's what we end up with, man, I do think that going big right now would be bad, but it could pay off. It's just all depends on what Bitcoin does off this 30,000 mark. Hoorah, thanks, brother. Road to 100,000. Let's go. Like and subscribe. The voice for us, legend YouTuber. Let's get it, man. Thank you very much, PS5 Future Gaming. Don't forget to click that like button, guys, and subscribe. We got 58 likes in here right now. So keep the likes rolling. We got 133 people in here. Appreciate every single one of you. And yes, don't forget to click that subscribe button either. Yes, called fork, but not. Well, they called it a fork. It's like a spoon that looks like a fork. Call it a spork, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. EA, listen to EA. Like the smash button. Like the smash button, bro fam. Listen to Tim. Do it. Like that smash button, please. Little recap. Nothing going on after hours right now, but we'll touch on the prices real quick. AMC, after bouncing up 8% after hours, is currently sitting up 1% at 11.69. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.89 right now, basically break even on the day. We've got GameStop sitting at 96.05, about break even after hours, not really doing anything at all. Farmy was up about 5%, currently sitting up 1%. 0672 at the moment after suffering one of its largest declines in recent history and closing at an all-time low today. It is devastating to see the losses that are taking place there. The Nasdaq was sitting 1.59% higher at the close today. Biora Therapeutics closed down 0.93% and it is up 1.83% after hours. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down. Sundial up about 1% after hours. Mullen Auto down another percent after hours. CEI down about 18%, 0.18% after hours. The SPY break even after hours. BBIG is up roughly 2% after hours. Highcroft Mining down 3% to $1.27 after hours. And Netflix sitting 0.18% higher after hours at $187.77. So hopefully we get a little action going on here. Another 8% increase in something after hours would be nice. I'm going with don't ask, don't tell. Do it, man. Megalotone. That's the best way to go, man. Don't ask, don't tell. I like it. Clay, bro, yay or nay on trolling bots on your YouTube videos? Megalotone. Yay or nay on trolling bots on your YouTube? Megalotone, you control bots you can troll the bots all day long on my YouTube channel if you want. I will troll the bots all day long on my YouTube channel. I don't like the bots on my YouTube channel. There's way too many bots. I cannot delete them. I cannot spam them. I cannot do anything to get rid of them. So, if anything you guys want to do to burn those bots alive, please do it. I got this 2022 all-wheel drive electric Audi e-tron GT supercar. I just like looking at it. It scares me to drive. The darn thing is too fast. So it sits in my garage collecting dust. I bought with Shib gains last year. With my current Shib gains, I may buy a pickle. John Jay, I don't know if that's true or not, but that does sound appropriate. Shib gains last year were amazing. Shib gains this year, we're turning that Audi back into a pickle. That sounds about right to me. Thanks, man. You're the best. Michael, you're the best, man. Thank you for being in here. Really. I mean, I wouldn't be able to do anything on here if you guys weren't in here, right? Let's see. Did not miss anything over there. Merlin Gomez. Thank you, bro, for being in here. Thank you. Let's see. What was I going to look at? No, I don't even remember what I was going to look at now. We're all good. We're all good. Take a drink of coffee. All right, sweet. Did you guys see my Pikachu card that I got for my birthday? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Pika Power gave me a Pikachu for my birthday. Isn't that the most amazing thing you've ever seen? I think it's the most amazing thing that I've ever seen. I actually got 3 of them. Here's the other one, and the other one you got to watch the videos. If you want to see the other Pikachu I got, you got to watch the videos. Hey, how's it going, man? Brandon, it's going very good today. Very good. Hard losses across the board today. We had AMC down about 3%. GameStop breaking even. Farmy got hit pretty hard today, so that sucked, dude. Farmy was down 15% on the day. It is up 2% after hours. Would really like to see some decent after hour gains, but we are sitting on no volume whatsoever here, man. So I'm thinking about cutting a major loss in this one, maybe as early as tomorrow. I think I might just put a stop loss on here and see how it plays out. If it gets out, man, it's out of my hands. If it doesn't hit, I'll let it try and bounce a little bit. But devastating to see a 15% loss just in a single day there. That absolutely sucked. But as far as Shiba Inu coin and Ethereum and Bitcoin go, man, we're about break even. So nothing too hard on the day. Farmy was the worst loser of the day down there. So hoping for a nice bounce tomorrow. But if you look at the daily chart, you can see that it does nothing, man. It's done absolutely nothing but continue to hit just lower lows and lower highs for the last, my gosh, dude. What is this? Going even for... I did not mean to do that. Did not mean to do that. We gotta go weekly. I mean, dude, it's basically only ever hit new lows. But yeah, that's what we're looking at now. 6 cents. Most likely going to get listed too. So we will have to see what happens with that there and watch out for it. But right now, after hours, we are sitting at 0671, up 0.90%. Shiba Inu coin looking good. I like the movement in Shiba Inu coin there. We'll focus on that one right there. Sick card, bro. Brandon, thank you. Nice work, Clay, bro. Modern, thank you very much. All right, Clay, thank you for the confirmation. Is it possible to connect private? I've put 6,500 to someone pretending to be you on a crypto platform. Lyndon. Yeah, man, you can message me on Twitter if you want. You just click the link in the description below. Don't actually... If you search Clay Bro, there might be a couple of them that pop up. But, yeah, dude, don't give anybody any money, okay? Don't give anybody any money on any platform, ever, okay? I don't think that you're ever going to see any, like, people on YouTube or anywhere legitimately asking you to invest money for you or anything like that. Don't ever do that. Answer to this crappy market? Well, Dwight, it might absolutely be. I don't know. I think that I don't want to see the market be crappy for a very long time. So I'm hoping for something. I'm hoping for an answer before we have to worry about that. Afternoon, Clay Bro. What do you think of a diamond AMC style holding Terra Luna Classic? Is Do Kwon set on going with Chain Fork? I think the price is headed south for a bit. Marcus, yes. As far as I know, he is dead set on starting a new Luna and no longer supporting the current Luna, calling it a Luna Classic and moving on with his life, trying to, you know, get something else going with a new Luna there. As far as the price going down for a while, I'm not sure. The next catalyst that I would be looking for on Luna is May 27th. And on May 27th, that's called the Snapshot Day. I forget what the exact time is during that day. But if you are a holder of Luna on that day, you should be eligible to receive the airdrop. And they will be airdropping the new Luna to all then Luna Classic holders. And the Luna Classic holders at that time will get 10% of the new coin based on the portion that you currently own. So if you own like 1% of the overall supply, you're going to get 1% of that 10% of the new coin. 2 years from now, we'll all be glad we invested. Be optimistic. Absolutely. Modern charm. We've got to have that long-term mentality if we want to outlast the bear markets. No doubt in my mind that we will see a bull market again, and you are absolutely right, man. We have to have that long-term optimistic mentality if we expect to make it through these tough times. Remember, when you sell, you lose your greatest positions. Buy and hold for the long run. Yes, Stony Vision. But, you know, if you're facing delisting like Farmy's doing, sometimes you just have to cut your losses. Sometimes you have to cut your losses, though. Farmy's an anomaly, man. Farmy's got a book value of almost 29 cents. It's like 28 and change. And Farmy has great numbers, increasing revenue, increasing earnings per share, positive earnings per share. They seem to be doing very well, but just beaten to death in price. And the sad thing is, man, the company's got a $40 million market cap right now, and the company's sitting on a little over $100 million in cash, and they are offering... After diluting the crap, they got that $100 million in cash because they diluted the crap out of investors throughout the course of 2021. So instead of offering investors a little bit of relief or a little bit of a dividend or anything for that matter, buyback to alleviate some of the losses that they caused diluting the shares, they are just going to allow it to get delisted. So that's poor management on their part. Shiba is up. Shiba is doing very well right now. Yes, Shiba's sitting at $11.94 at the moment. Bitcoin down in the bottom left, rising, as well as Shiba Inu coin. And I bet Ethereum rising as well. Yes, Ethereum is rising maybe a little bit slower than the other two are right now, but Ethereum also doing pretty well there. So we would like to see some sustained gains going into the evening hours here. Afternoon. Oh, saw that one. Sorry about that. Remember what you guys saw. Saw that. Click. My portfolio is about negative 39. How are you doing? Zachary, the portfolio is down as well right now, man. The portfolio is down as well right now. I was green on AMC until about... I don't know the exact percentage decline. I know it's big though. I'm down like across the board, man. The major positions that I have, AMC, Shiba Inu coin, Farmy's a pretty big one. They're all down right now. So I don't know the exact percentage. I haven't looked at the overall portfolio in a little while, but down in an earlier round. Portfolio going down, swinging. Yeah, dude, it is down. Farmy's a pit. I broke even and got out. Never invest in a Chinese dude. Never. I really don't know if you can invest in a Chinese anything. I really don't, man. It is a little dangerous that they seem to focus on raising money over like diluting than they do by running their company. Hello, bro, and good evening. Ali, good to see you, man. Glad to have you in here. Why is Shib up and all the other markets are down? PS5 Future Gaming. So Shiba Inu coin is green right now, but Bitcoin is still bouncing. So you can see that, Bitcoin had a terrible afternoon, and it's starting to cup here and turn back around, which is nice. If we zoom out on Shiba Inu coin, we can see very similar action. Shiba Inu coin had a terrible afternoon. It started cupping and coming back up. But the thing we notice is that when Bitcoin moves, Shiba Inu coin just moves steeper. Meaning that when it falls steeper than Bitcoin does. And when it rises steeper than Bitcoin does. So what we have here is very similar action, but Shiba Inu coin may have just rose at a slightly faster pace than Bitcoin did. And that's why Bitcoin is still down and Shiba Inu coin is slightly up on the day. But as you can see right now, man, we zoom in, we've got a decline. We got a big purple candle here in Bitcoin, and we've also got a big purple candle here in Shiba Inu coin. So I would just attribute it to the fact that Shiba Inu coin runs at a more exponential pace than the rest of the cryptocurrency market, but especially at a more exponential pace than Bitcoin does. Anything else moving on these after hours plays right here? No, I don't see anything else really moving here. So we'll keep our eyes on that. We can watch Bitcoin on the bottom left, see if it does anything. The only thing green I have is my name on Claybro's stream, DD214. That sounds about right to me too, man. Everything is in the red right now. Anyone hear about the South Korean government going after Do Kwon for tax evasion? I have not heard about that, man. I have not. I don't read everything on Do Kwon, so I may have missed that, but I have not heard about that. Somebody else probably has. Ken Rowe! What's going on, Ken Rowe? Glad to have you. Talk to Me Goose is almost out. What? Talk to Me Goose is almost out at the movies. Nice, John J. Ethereum set to go nuts after August. The merge is... Yeah, Ken Rowe. So I've seen things say June. Clearly, we're not seeing anything happening in June. August is the next time frame. Don't get terribly disappointed if they do say that... it's going to be pushed off beyond August as well. I know these people love to talk dates and then push these dates back. So please just don't be too disappointed if it does come to, get delayed even further. Thanks for the Terra Luna possible trading plan. After the 27th, if somehow announce a plan to burn the supply, I'll switch to a buyer and hold a piece of a company that was 40 billion. Yeah, Marcus. That's not a bad plan. Now, I think I might talk about that in a video tonight, but the next catalyst is most likely going to be that 27th snapshot. Now, beyond that, man, I do think that if they get this fork or, this new Luna, I do think that Luna Classic is strictly going to be trading on price action. Whether or not people try to build around it, not exactly sure what they're going to end up doing there, but you got to treat it as a little bit more dangerous. If you think that people are going to try and buy in last minute, maybe you buy in right now and try to sell it. But if you are going to be trading the snapshot, there's no benefit for airdrop holders to hold 1 minute beyond that snapshot. So there's a very high likelihood that they will be selling off at whatever time that is. I'd have to look it up to confirm. There's a very high likelihood that they're going to be selling off on the 27th after that. So if you guys are playing it, either you could expect a nice rise, but you may expect a decline afterwards. Will it decline further than the current price? I do not know. How high is it going to go? I also do not know. I mean, you might see a 10% increase. You might see 1,000% increase. I don't know what that day is going to hold, but I would kind of look at it as a catalyst right now and I guess plan accordingly. Do Kwon is spooning us. I don't want to be spooned by Do Kwon. Come on, man. Low in the boat until Binance adds it. Nice, man. Doge on Mars. Listen, a lot of people do talk about Doge on Mars. Why not? Do Kwon said it's now true. It's not true, but the South Korean government says otherwise. Did he do that? I don't know why the South Korean government would be getting involved. Why would they lie about Do Kwon? You know what I mean? Like, he has everything to save with his reputation, and they have literally no concern whatsoever about Do Kwon. Like, what do they have to gain by telling you that they're going after Do Kwon for tax evasion? Nothing. So, unless they're trying to get their share of whatever Bitcoin and Lunaterra he was able to profit on. Tim, thank you very much. Let's see. Thank you very much for the hot dog there. This is called the dip and shove technique, guys. We got picnic season coming up here with summer starting, grilling out, all that fun. You guys take a hot dog, right, and you dip it. You dip the hot dog down in your favorite dip, and then when you're done dipping it, you take it, and it's called the dip and shove. So you take it and you... one bite. Dip and shove. Tim, man, thank you very much for that hot dog. Really appreciate you on that one, man. Shiba will go to the moon. It's inevitable. Modern, I absolutely hope so. $70 million tax invasion. Dude, yeah, they want their chunk. They want their chunk. Don't think that they're just going to let them get away with $73 million in unpaid taxes. Okay, I worked for Kia for 10th Arts? For 10th Arts? You worked for Kia for 10th Arts? For 10 years? Had to do it. Not a bunch of super stickers today. Tim, you're absolutely right. You and Chris got it in the afternoon. I don't know if Wana is listening, but Wana, Roulette Wheel, you guys had some great ones this morning. Absolutely appreciate you. But you and Chris, Tim, you and Chris had the afternoon ones today, so really thank you for that. Why can't you buy Luna on Webull? Mendez, I don't think that Webull wants to support the coin anymore, right? So if you do want to buy it, I can confirm as of, before the stream, you can buy and sell on Voyager. And it is very easy to open your account there. So if you do want to open an account on Voyager, you're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin if you use that link that's in the description. But as far as I know, Webull does not want to be associated with the risk of buying it right now. So they've pretty much put it sell only if you still hold it. So if you were holding it from when it was crashing and so on, they are allowing you to sell it, but they're not allowing you to buy it on there. They want to distance themselves from the risk. Everyone's portfolio is seeing red for a while now, including the gas. Dude, I'm telling you, roulette wheel. Even if you're sitting on a cash portfolio, it's seeing red, dude. Inflation's eating your cash up, and your bank account's seeing red too, because all of the goods that are out there, goods and services, are wildly high priced. Can't wait for Tonic to be listed on other exchanges because his volume is down, even though it's number 2 on Kronos Network. My gosh, did he do that? Yeah, I haven't seen Tonic listed on. Well, I actually haven't looked for Tonic on like Voyager and Coin and Crypto.com. Yeah, does anybody know if Tonic is on those? Wana is listening. Wana, thank you very much for listening right now. Yes. Wana, thank you for listening. I didn't know if you were listening or not, but I'm glad you are. Talk texting sucks. Need to proofread before send button. Crypto. Yes, you do, man. Yes, you do. I just hope to even done release anything big until we get out of the. Oh yeah, crypto, man. I do agree with that. It's nice to have some releases, but everything, phenomenal releases right now are getting just eaten up by the bloody market that we're in. So, homie, the dog, what's going on? Weeble needs a crypto wallet. Also need to invest in a bros. If it drops again, it's not financial advice. No, Chevy Silver Raider. I do need at least one share, right? I need at least one share simply because of the ticker symbol there. But I also agree, yeah, that I like the fact that, you know, without the crypto wallet, without Weeble having a crypto wallet, there's no gas fees or anything. You're simply buying and selling the price action. So I don't really argue with that part of it, but I think that they would benefit from having a crypto wallet out there. Let's see. What's your TC on Bitcoin? What is TC? I don't even know what TC stands for right now. 12,000 or not. PS5 future of gaming. I honestly think that if Bitcoin falls through the 30,000, that 12,000 is an absolute possibility. So you can see this major level of support that I've got here. And if you zoom out, you go to a weekly chart. If you zoom out, man, you can see that this is a massive multi-year level of support. If it falls through, there's very, very little support for about 1 month at this $17,000 to $20,000 range that we had back here in 2017. Beyond that, the next major level of support is that run from double digits to single, going from 10,000 back down to 9,000. So major support in that $10,000 range, minor support at 20, and I don't think that it would be impossible that if it does fall through 30 and sustains a move to the downside, I don't think it's impossible to see that, you know, $10,000 to $12,000 range, right? Or $9,000 to $12,000 range, really. But, guys, it is after 5 o'clock, so we are going to be calling it for today. We're going to get some names in the chat right now, do some shout-outs, all that good stuff. But we are going to have videos in 2 hours and videos in 3 hours. So make sure to watch those. Click the like button, click the share button, click the subscribe button, all of that good stuff. If you haven't done so already, really appreciate every single one of you guys that sent super chats today, sent super stickers, all of that. But keeping the chat moving, all of that good stuff there. You know, if you don't want to send any super chats or anything, just watch the videos. You know what I mean? Watch the videos, and that's support enough, man. So thank you guys very much for that. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll get these shout outs going on, and then we'll be back with videos in 2 hours and in 3 hours respectively. So PS5, future of gaming, crypto epidemic, roulette wheel, diddy do that, Wanna. Thank you for listening, and thank you for the super chat today, Wanna, and thank you for everything. Juicy Trades, Johnny Bullies, we've got crypto epidemic, Diffie Dog, a Chevy Silver Raider, PS5, Latoya Gibson, thank you for being in here, Johnny Bullies, Ken Rowe, diddy do that, John Frodo. Have a great night. See you later. Peace out to you, crypto epidemic, Spider Claude. Do a BBIG video. Oh man, I don't know. It is a possibility. I'd have to look up some of their, maybe a quick one based on their earnings number. That's not an impossibility. So, Spider, thank you very much. DD214, see you later. Enjoy your evening. I don't know if SD is listening right now or not, but anybody else that is listening out there, Pika, you included, if you're still in here, Danelle, you as well. Thank you for the birthday gifts. Absolutely appreciate you guys. 7 Apes, Mono, EIE, 7 Apes, thank you for being in here. And you guys know what time it is. Zachary, working overtime today. Yes, Zachary, see you later, man. Mr. Nice Guy, making those hairy peaches clap. I like it. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.